Hello once again. So let us proceed. We are still on polynomials. We have example number 5. Number 5 is saying, find the values of the real numbers A. We're going to find the value of A, and we find the value of B. If the complex number 5 minus 2i is a 0 of the polynomial. So this is a 0 of this polynomial. So what does it mean? It means that to say that this is a 0 of this polynomial, it means that f of 5 minus 2i equal to 0. That's what it means. So this is the root of this polynomial. So if you know that when you are given one root of the polynomial, another root is the conjugate. If f of z1, if z1 is 5 minus 2i, z2 is the conjugate of this. So, and the conjugate of that one is 5 plus 2i. And remember, when you have two roots, you take z1 plus z2, you get sum. You get z1 times z2, you get product. So meaning that after getting sum and product, we have z squared minus sum times z plus p, which is a quadratic equation. This is a form of quadratic equation in the form of sum and product. So now, so here what will be z1 plus z2? z1 plus z2 is 5 minus 2i plus 5 plus 2i. The answer is 10. So our sum is 10. So what is product? z1 times z2, that is 5 plus 2i, into bracket 5 minus 2i. And the answer here is 25 plus 4, 25 minus 4i squared. Remember, when you have a minus b into bracket a plus b, answer is a squared minus b squared. So now our a is 5, our b is 2i. 2 squared is 4, I squared is I squared. So this is, you know that I squared is negative 1, negative 1 times negative 4. So it will be positive 4 plus 25, which is 29. So this is our product. So after getting product, you're going to write a quadratic equation in this form. So it will be z squared minus s, our sum is 10, minus 10z, plus product, our product is 29. So which means that now we have one of the factor of that polynomial. So what are we going to do? So this, our polynomial, it is on, our polynomial is the one of power 4. If it is power 4, it means that we need two quadratic equations. We need two quadratic equations, which means that we have our f of z is going to become z squared minus 10z plus 29 into bracket times another quadratic equation, which is like mz squared plus nz plus c. That is our second, because squared times squared, it is power 4. So therefore fz equal to z squared minus 10z plus 29 into bracket mz squared plus nz plus c. So when we expand this one, it will be equal to the given polynomial. So let me expand that. Z squared times mz squared, that is mz squared. Z squared times nz, that is nz power 3. Z squared times c, that is cz squared. Minus 10z times mz squared, that's negative 10 mz power 3. Negative 10z times c, I mean, negative 10z times nz, that's negative 10 nz squared. Negative 10z times c, that is negative 10 cz. So we go to this constant 29. 29 times mz squared, that is 29 mz squared. 29 times nz, that is 29 nz plus 29c. So which means that our fz equal to, we have, this is power 4, not squared. Because it is z squared times mz squared, that is mz power 4. So we have mz power 4. So we have this power 3 with this power 3. It will be plus n minus 10m into bracket z power 3. So we have this is squared with this, with that one. It will be c minus 10n plus 29m. It will be c minus 10n plus 29m into bracket z squared. Then another one is, we're going to z. We have negative 10c, 29n, then plus negative 10c plus 29n into bracket z, then plus 29c. So now, we're going to compare this polynomial with f of the given polynomial. Our given polynomial, if you remember, it is 2z power 4. This is a given polynomial. Minus 22 z power 3 plus az squared, then minus 68z, then plus b. So we're going to compare this polynomial with that one. You can see that z power 4, the coefficient of z power 4 is 2. The coefficient of z power 4 here, it is m. Meaning that our m is 2. Here, n minus 10m will be negative 22. Then c, this is c. C minus 10n plus 29m will be equal to a. Then negative 10c plus 29n will be equal to negative 68. Then b will be equal to 29c. So now we're going to write down the values of mn so that we can get the values of a and b. So we have two functions. We're going to remember this function is that the given one. We are given this one in the question. So let us compare this with that one. Z power 4, their coefficient m equal to 2. Our m equal to 2. Then n minus 10m equal to negative 22. So remember the value of m is 2. So that is n minus, it is n minus, then 10 times 2, that's negative 20, equal to negative 22. So implies that n equal to negative 2. So our n is negative 2, because if this one comes here, it will be positive. So then we have on z squared, c minus 10n plus 29m equal to, where z squared here we have a, equal to a. So here we're going to, because we don't have the value of c, let us leave it like that. So we go to z, negative 10c plus 29n. Z here, on z we have coefficient of z, we have negative 68, equal to negative 68. But remember, the value of n is negative 2. So that is negative 10c plus 29 into bracket negative 2 equal to negative 68. So now negative 10c will be equal to negative 10c plus 58, negative 10c minus 58 equal to negative 68. So bring this one here, we get negative 10c equal to negative 10, because negative 68 plus 58, that is 10. So our c equal to what? 1. So after getting c equal to 1, so we can come back here to get the value of what? Of a. So our a will be equal to what? To c which is 1, minus 10 into bracket the value of n. Our n is negative 2, plus 29m. 29m, what is m? M is 2. So this is the 1. Negative and negative becomes positive, that is 20. Plus 58. Our a is 79. This is the value of a. Our a is what? 79. So after getting a, we have a constant. Our constant is 29c. This 29c equal to b. So therefore b equal to 29c. Remember c equal to what? 1. That is 29 into bracket 1. So therefore b equal to 29. So the values of a and b are, that is a, b, which is 79 and 29. So the required polynomial, is the given polynomial with their values a and b. So f of z equal to 2z power 4 minus 22z power 3 plus a, which is 79 z squared, minus 68 z plus b, which is 29. So this is the required polynomial. So when you're given one of the root in the polynomial, what you do, the conjugate is the second polynomial, is the second root. So I multiply that one to get a quadratic equation. After getting quadratic equation, because I had power 4, to get power 4, it is the quadratic equation times another quadratic equation. So after that, I expanded and I compared with the given polynomial in order to get the value of a and the value of b. I hope here there is no any question. So let us go to another example.